Donna and Danè are sheer colours. Due to popular demand, these two EVO shades were made to be similar to the bio colours number 66 Blanc and number 68 Rosé. Prepare the nail and apply EVO oxygenating base. Cure and wipe with polish remover. Apply one coat of Donna for a sheer finish. And cure. Apply a second coat for a more solid finish. Cure and finish with EVO Gloss. Danè is applied in the same manner as Donna onto cured, wiped, bio or EVO base, with the option of 1 or 2 layers. Finishing with bio top coat, EVO Gloss or Suede.